Hello. Sometimes when you use Kukarella, you may run into errors. You could see a message on the website saying that you encounter application error or 404 error. And I just want to advise how you can manage those errors. What could be common reasons for those errors and what you can do with them, how to solve them easily. So first is firewall. It happens quite often. So if you work in an organization and it has some security protocols, it's a good chance that they have a firewall or certain settings which prevent you from using your old capabilities like uploading file, importing file, exporting files. Check with your system administrator. Maybe there is some permissions which you need to update. And please don't pay attention to these mistakes, misspellings. This is AI generated image I just created to illustrate the point and to make it not so boring for you. But yeah, if you that's probably the first thing which you should check if you run into a problem and you work in an organization. Are there any restrictions set by a system administrator in your organization? Often this is the problem. Please contact your admin and ask if there are any limits, restrictions, and how can you handle that. Another common error. It's browser-related error. So sometimes there are some privacy settings or some ad blockers which are installed on your computer, preventing you from creating voiceover or downloading files or showing some pop messages which we use in Kukarella to show your panels with effects or with voices or some sort of notifications. So that could be a common problem. So far, we see that users who use Chrome get better results and run into fewer issues than users who use, let's say, Edge or Safari. Chrome and Firefox, Mozilla, they are among most reliable browsers. But you can use Kukarella in any browser if settings are not very restrictive. Again, sorry about this text. It's image generated by AI, so yeah. Okay, uploading files for transcription sometimes could not. Sometimes your transcription may fail if a file is broken, if file is in the wrong format, or somehow file metadata was corrupted. That happens. In that case, it's best to log out, log in, and to try uploading that file again. Sometimes a simple logout, login fixes the issue if the file is good. And also check what files are supported in Kukarella. You can see the message, what file formats are supported, and you can check if your file matches the requirement. So MP3, WAV, MP4 are among the most popular ones, and if you use them, you should be safe. Application error. Sometimes you would see just a line saying you run into application error, or you run into 404 error, or pages missing, or whatever. It doesn't happen often, but it happens sometimes. In that case, the easiest solution would be to refresh the page. Just refresh the page. Or you can, if that doesn't help, you can log out, log in. If that doesn't help, probably you need to clear browser cache. Often that is the problem. But if that doesn't help you to solve the problem, if you still encounter any issues, please send an email to support@kukarella.com. Again, this is wrong. It's support@kukarella.com, or you can use chat on our website, this one. Just send us a message and we'll be happy to assist. Okay, hope this video answers most common questions about types of errors you may encounter when using Kukarella and how to mitigate, solve those problems. And if you need any help, please send us a message via this chat or by sending email to support@kukarella.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.